What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be going over how to tie one of my favorite rigs called the high-low rig. Every time I'm on the surf, every time I'm trying to catch fish and I'm using shrimp as bait, this is pretty much what I tie because this has given me the most fish. So this is the high-low rig, also known as the chicken rig. I don't know why it's called the chicken rig, but it's called the high-low rig because there is a hook high, and then there's another hook that's low. So if you guys check out this little image demonstration that I created for you guys can kind of see what it looks like. You're gonna have two hooks dangling in front of the fish's face. So let's show you guys how to tie this. You would want to start off with a big loop like this. I would say that's about like 3 or 4 inches. Pinch it right here with your left hand, and then you're gonna do one regular overhand knot. So loop it around like that, but don't stop there. Do another loop, boom, make it really secure. This is where the sinker is gonna be. Obviously, wet the line a little bit, tighten it up, tight. So you got your sinker loop right there. It's gonna go in here. Give yourself a little bit more line, maybe 6 to 12 inches up. You would want to make your first loop for your first hook. So right about there, give yourself some line and then loop again. And then you'll see 2 lines right here from the loop. You'd want to twist. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is usually about how much I like to do it. And then from this loop, you'd want to get the line that's at the bottom and just pull it out. Just like that. So pull it out and then use your teeth. Hold your line like this protruding line with your teeth. So as you pull, it's gonna get tight and it's gonna make this T-knot. It's hard to show you guys without putting my face on the camera. Here, let me do this. Okay. All right. Boom. So wet the line. I'm not gonna do it on camera. I always think that's nasty when when people do it, but just wet the line so there's no friction. And then you got your first T-knot right there. Second one. Let me show you guys a second way to tie this. Give yourself some more line. Instead of going straight into that loop where you go like that, take your line. Let's say that's about how much I want the line to protrude. And then make another overhand loop. It's pretty simple. 1, 2, and then I say 3 or 4 is good. Just like that. 3 or 4 with the loop. And then just tighten that. See, now you have this line or this knot right there. And then you would go back into that loop thing that we did earlier. So twist your line like that so that you make that loop. Same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then pull that loop that you made through that hole. Right, hopefully you guys can see that. And then just pull it out and then just stop right at the base of that knot right there. And just pull, make sure you're keeping tension. Hold that line. There you go. Just keep pulling. Obviously, wet the line. Stretch it out a little bit if you need to. And then it'll make a T-knot. So what this does, it kind of just helps the line. So especially when you're using thinner line, it helps the line from tangling up on itself. So this is a little stiffer, so it's not going to do that. But if it was a thinner line, this knot right here will help your hook line stick out instead of like flopping around over here. See, with this, there's not a lot of tension, so it's kind of just gonna flop around if it's a thinner line. But with a 15-pound, 20-pound line, you don't have that issue. So I usually just go with this much simpler knot. But if you ever needed to, this is an option. Okay. Then you have the option of adding as many hooks as you want, but I usually keep it to 2. There's a reason for that, which I will tell you after this. I can't multitask, so let me just finish this up and I'll tell you guys. So give yourself a little bit more room, and you would want to cut the line, and you will make your second loop at the end of this rig. So again, another loop, overhand knot, but instead of doing it once, you would wrap around twice. And this just makes the knot just a little bit more secure. So tighten it up, boom, and then, you know, clean it up, cut the tag ends, cut that, then the other loop right here. All right, for the sinker, get your loop from one end, push it out this hoop right here, and then kind of just wrap it around like this, and then you got your hook, your sinker secure. Okay, and then for this one we'll use some, I think this is a octopus hook. Same thing. Pinch the loop you made, wrap it through the knot, or wrap it through the eye of the hook, just like that, and then wrap it around, boom, done. Through the eye, wrap around that hook, you're done. And then right here, you would tie this to the main line. Usually in the main line, I would tie a snap swivel. Let's see if I can find one right now. So in the main line, I would tie a snap swivel, and then all you would have to do, because you already have this loop, is just open up that swivel, that snap, wrap it around, and you have your rig, just like that. And then I would usually use shrimp for bait and catch a bunch of fish with this method. So yeah, so that's the high-low rig. Hopefully you guys learned something new today. Super easy to make. You can make a bunch of these and just pre-tie it. Don't even add the hooks until you get there. And once you get there, you're ready for fishing. But if you guys ever need to make your own rigs because you don't want to buy them from Walmart anymore for like $5, there you have it. You can do it now.
Yo, this is a new species. I've never caught this before. Oh wait, no, it's a stingray. It's just a stingray. Fuck! But look at this. Look at this. Little stingray. Oh, that's crazy. First fish of the day, baby. We got one.
Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. That is how to tie the high-low rig. Super easy, very simple. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be making more of these rig tutorials, along with my video series of different spots that you can catch, that you can fish in Los Angeles. And I'll see you in the next video. Let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'm going to try to make more of that, but other than that, I'll see you later. Alright?